Alright, here we are with the last exercise in this Module 5. Now, these have been really picky. Little things here and there, a little typo can throw the whole thing off, and sometimes it's tough to find those typos. So, on this one, we're dealing with this array bag. They're talking about the constructor that they want a mod count which is set to 0. We want some temporary variable named mod count, so we're going to have to insert that in there. And if we go use the clear method, we want mod count to be set to 0. Add and remove will increase and decrease mod count. Alright, so let's go deal with mod count. And I've got to reset this because I've already got it in there from when we did it in class. Alright, so in the init we need a mod count. So let's just dump it right in here after where we set the size. Self dot mod count equals 0. That's simple enough. What else do we have? So we're going to have self.mod count on the iterations. So let's put it right up front. Equals. Go there, and we've got a little bit of modification we need to do in here. After yield, we're going to come down and we're going to say if mod count is not the same as self dot mod count, we're going to raise an error. And the attribute error do they have it over here? Raise an exception if the values of the two mod counts do not equal. So let's say mutation not allowed in loop. That's all we need. And we'll still have our cursor kick up by 1. So that's on our iter. So we're good there. Beyond this, let's come down. You know what? I want to get a little bit more efficient. Copy this line because that's the same line we're going to have to use. So save a little bit of typing time. We'll come down to our mutators. And on the clear, enter Control V. I guess I didn't copy it when I thought I did. Control C. Come down here. And there it goes. So we've got it in clear. They said they wanted it to go back to 0. If I add, you know what? I want it to kick up by 1. So that's a plus equals 1. And do I have anything else that I've got to do? in the remove, I need to take care of it in remove. So right here by size, I say mod count. And here I reduce it by 1, minus equals 1. No, it's a plus equals 1. Because it's a modification. How many modifications? So I'm increasing that count. Now, I can't test it. There's no way to test it the way they've got it set up. Unless I run this. Let's see if I can run that. It says I got a little bit of an issue. Yeah, well that's that raise attribute error. It is actually doing what it's supposed to be doing there. Let's go see if we're good over here. Yeah, it's good with both of them. So it did what it was supposed to do. When it tested it, it did throw the error. So we were good there. So that's the last one. We're just counting the times that things get changed along the way. So we know how many modifications have taken place. Okay? Short and simple. It wasn't so complex. On to the next module.